Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. If you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, well, I actually really do appreciate that. This is Friday, August 8th, 2025, and this is going to be day 396 of consistently helping people build consistency. Let me ask you one question. Why cannot you be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, and meditating, and lots of other positive things? I believe one of the biggest reasons it is simply because you have this one belief that you are not a consistent person. Why do you have this belief now? Because you have so many evidence supporting this identity. You have tried to be consistent in the past and failed. You tried again and failed again. Soon you will start to think that you will have this one belief that there's no point in trying and the results are just going to be the same. So how do we solve this problem now? How do we break this negativity, this negative identity? It is simply by giving some counter evidence. We prove to ourselves when we say that we are going to be doing something, we actually do that thing consistently, even if it's just 3 minutes every single day. We are not focusing on the quantity of the time first. We are focusing on building counter evidence. Basically, we are building two things here. One, the undeniable evidence that we actually do the thing that we say that we are going to be doing, even if it's just 3 minutes every single day. It's still undeniable that you still do it, that you still did it. And two, we are actually building some actual ability to stay consistent in doing that particular thing. You can keep increasing it, from 3 minutes, okay? Once you have feeling adapted to 3 minutes every single day, you can increase it to 4 minutes, and then 5 minutes every single day, and then 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes, and so on and so on. Yes, when you are using this method, you are not going to get some really crazy results in the beginning. But the thing here is that you are building a foundation for a crazy level of discipline, and hopefully over time you are going to get that crazy results. So that's it from me for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, link on the description. And this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edited it by myself. Thank you.